What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Raptor, man. As you can see, I heard it rain today. Finally cleaning thing out some. Not a whole lot. I was gonna say the rest after I get finished with this. So this is pretty much the truck bed. I got it scuffed up. I got it sanded. This ain't scuffed. All you need to do is scuff it to put the bed line in there, but y'all know me. I do a little extra sometimes, so I went ahead and, scuffed it all the way up. Scuff time 10. Make sure that our material is gonna stick, and I ain't gotta worry about doing this no more. Sometimes, when you DIY, you do a little extra just to make sure. My boy Cortez I told Cortez I was gonna do it. He's like, yeah, man, come over, we do it together. Fuck it, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing like a helping hand. I know all my DIY gang can relate. So I got everything I need. Extra pads in case we need to touch something up. Fuel pump that I told him to keep last time, he borrowed it. So this time we're gonna go over there, we're gonna leave it, and we're gonna drive off. We're gonna drive off with it. But yeah, after we do this, then bed line stuff, then we'll be good to go. As far as the truck, truck still need to be washed anyway. But yeah, that all you need is, they say all you need is a scuff anyway, man. So I'm gonna drive over there with this down, let the rest of the water or whatever come up out of there, tape it off, spray it down, and then go from there. And I guess we'll get you a cold start. I just finished the bed. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna have to wash it again. So we'll get it together. She usually dirtier than this though. All right, so over at Cortez's, getting the truck bed masked off. I'm saying before shot, it's gonna look something similar to this beauty right here when we're done. If y'all haven't checked out his channel, which you should have by this time, but it's the magic that happens. But yeah, we just here to do the truck bed. Little razzle dazzle. I was something I've been meaning to do. Just had a whole nother car to build, colors. So then I was telling Brandon in the live, like, yeah, man, I'm gonna do this Raptor along today, and I'm putting this shit off about it. Hell, I had a truck like 4 years. Yeah, but this about at the end of putting shit in the back of the bed like that. Maybe. I'm like, well, let's go ahead and preserve it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, right, before it gets any worse. You know what I'm saying? We got a big old ding there. But I was showing y'all in the live, little dings and nicks around the bed, but all that's gonna go away. You know what I'm saying? We'll put that old Raptor line on that. Look like a brand new truck bed. You know what I'm saying?
You can get yours now for a low price of $1,500.
$1,500.
Oh, I say $1,400 right now.
Oh, 14?
Yeah.
Yeah, stimulus discount. Stimulus discount. This product we using, Raptor Tough Protector Coating. It is tried and proven. This is it right here. in this trunk. So same thing that's in the bed of my C10 as well. So you know this GTG good to go. All right, well, cut you back on when we finish. Alright, so as you can see, Raptor liner protective coating is installed on the bed, and man, does it look good!
I like it. I like it a lot.
I like it a lot. So when it fully dry and cured, it's gonna look like that. You know what I'm saying, but
mine's dust.
all the stuff, man, it's in there looking good. And you can achieve this result at home in your garage. You just need to buy this kit, the gun, which is over here, the shoots,
Do an unboxing, like unboxing.
spray gun, comes in 3 pieces, and then have a compressor that can push the air. It ain't gotta be that big one, but definitely make it help. So, yep.